Consistency in problem solving is important because using the same reliable method each time makes answers faster and more trustworthy. Think of solving a chemistry problem like following a recipe. If you always check what is given, write down what you need, pick the right formula, and do the math step by step, you are less likely to forget something or make a silly mistake. When you practice the same clear steps, your brain learns the pattern and you finish problems quicker without panicking. If one step is confusing, break it down. Identify knowns and unknowns, draw a picture or chart, and choose units carefully so everything cancels correctly. Over time, those steps become automatic and you can focus on tricky parts instead of the basics. Students often jump into calculations without clearly listing what is given and what they need, which causes wrong setups. A quick fix is to write knowns and unknowns first before doing math. Another common mistake is mixing units, like using grams for one number and moles for another, which leads to incorrect answers. Always convert units to match before calculating. A final misconception is that shortcuts work for every problem. But shortcuts can hide mistakes. Use the full, consistent method until you really understand when a shortcut is safe. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources on building consistent problem-solving habits in chemistry.